Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have something really cool to show you. So today when I was at school, there was a kid named Wyatt. I was walking around. He told me to come here and he was making those. The bouncy pencils. Whatever you do is you put some springs in them. This is a spring. And now you have to put it in. And then boom, now that you put it in, watch what it can do. Yeah, it literally launches off your mechanical pencil. I think he must have called this the flying mechanical eraser, which flies off a pencil, which flies off a mechanical pencil. Yeah. It's actually so cool. Plus it bounces super high. When it actually bounces super high into the air, or over here where my little brother is, I have to go pick it up. This thing bounces super high. And yes, it's one of the coolest mechanical pencils that I now got. Yeah. If you want to get your own, don't worry. You can just actually remove all the stuff that was inside. Keep the eraser, then put a spring, and then you can put your eraser in, and then boom. That's what happens. And yes, this thing bounces so high into the air. And yes, this thing bounces super high. Yeah, it's so cool though. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to link in the comments and turn on your notifications. Bye!